giving village. It's giving. It's giving the high school circle. What about those desks? Morning, guys. Hi.
And we happy because we can smile.
And a ref.
The bed.
The berries were having it.
Like,
if they don't give us money.
When you should put up your tripod. I'm not mocking you guys.
Bye. Hey, banana. Stretch out fail. So good, so nice. I got you. Yeah. Hi guys. Hi. Hope you guys can see me. But anyway, I think I haven't talked to you guys since I got here. So, guys, it's cold. Like, it's really cold. The moment you see the trees really shake, you know it's bad. But anyway, you know what? I'll talk to you guys later. I'm a student, a vet student.
CRV.
Sunscreen.
Facial scrub. Exfoliator. Mask.
Oh.
Okay. Facial brush or what?
Kuning.
But it's cheap. I think go Mr. Price. You need to get the...
For now, it looks like a Bramley.
Yo, you know Bramley with my sister's skin.
Really?
Yo.
The
oil.
Tissue oil.
Yeah.
Guys, I feel like with skin, just find what works for you, Shem. This I know it's a trend. Kausani, hey, babula ka this, lona again. Hey, magnesium.
But I think what's consistent is sunscreen.
Yeah.
Sunscreen and water, although people like to tell me about water.
Drink water, baby. Drink
Water. Even though our skins look like...
mara bana ba ba seleka wa elsa ba fele botla la khatse bo roka go ntle wa bona wa re banya ka ntwe.
Where I can see it. Oh. Zoom. Like, but why does it look like they are always eating?
It's like a child. We didn't even say anything about it.
Maraki June. July.
As if Lila Kasama. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
When at that time, no, and I think like the measures were not that hard because we were just 30 years, guys. Come on. So it wasn't that hectic.
Nobody does
Naga di chila, ke go rua le.
Like, she almost, and I can imagine this place is
Bashima,
super
hey,
hot.
that year was hectic. Is it not locked?
No, but there's something that has to be moved. Like, it's a bit advice that it is wrong.
Hey, researchers.
Wow.
And it's so clean. Oh my god.
If this kind of videos for us, I will shoot up with how like a mistake.
And below a trend. Just like that.
You don't know the water.
And it looks clean.
Wait now.
Rural, guys.
It's rural in other ways, but when you get to the spot, because more you could literally have like.
Hi, Manona, oh cute. The cleaner.
Whatever.
Let me take your pictures.
Wow, I needed a picture.
From camera. Nkanta. Ukakubona ukahalala nyoka konkanta. Yeah. Oh.
Is the lighting giving? Yeah, it is.
I haven't even checked. Let me check list.
What was the first line that he said when I was supposed to translate?
Oh, guys. There's a girl making me very shy here. Oh my god.
And you can't.
Why will it talk hyena? Like Impala.
And you can't zoom in.
Like
Can you? Look what's behind
Oh
you.
no, while it's playing, I don't know how people do it. I think for people with a camera, it's much easier.
Yes,
For this, once you press play, go video, it doesn't allow you to zoom.
Why? I think mine does zoom. Can you get a selfie?
Oh, maybe because it's selfie, yeah.
It does.
Let's see, guys.
Could be Impala there. There's so many of them.
Like black at all.
I never saw it. What did this step? But you know, the monkeys,
What did this step?
they always here like.
I feel like because very good black at all. When you just came and then you settled in black at all. You're an imposter.
As humans, we are imposters to nature.
Yeah.
We found nature the way it is.
And then
And then we claim places to be out just because Avana in Duna.
Oh, because the Induna can speak.
Hey! Marokata lion,
Yeah.
even
Are those fruits? Is it eatable? Oh yeah. I think it is eatable.
These ones like showing off. Who already will let them all credit around mess from
Extinction.
some honest students that were doing
Agriculture in 2023. The likes of Grany Malema. We don't know. We don't know.
the history books.
Yeah.
Or no.
You know, like that thing, what was the event that took place? Peeling out the species. Mokgadi.
Oh my god. Like imagine
Mokgadi.
my name being the subject of such things.
A girl from Limpopo. Yeah. Hi guys. Hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 2 days later. Yeah, 2 days later since I got here at Mpumalanga, and I don't know why I didn't talk to you guys yesterday, but probably because I was shy to speak up. But so it's day 2, not counting the arrival day, and I don't know, it has been nice, you know. Like first day we went to visit, like, okay, just a backstory, like the module that I'm doing is ethnoecology, so it's just learning how people perceive their environment and how they utilize the resources that they find, you know, around them, and how also environment in exchange like affects how you utilize, you know. It's a whole, you know, thingy. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So we went to this other village at Bushback Ridge. Is it Bushback Ridge? Yeah, something like that. And we were just like going around, you know, learning their area. Like we met an Induna. You know, Induna, I think it's chief or someone who works with chief. Guys, the sun is going, it's leaving me and I'm not even done. But anyway, like fuck, I'm bored. So as I was saying, like we met Induna, who was just like answering few of our questions. Obviously, like I didn't show on my vlog because why would I vlog in Induna? But anyway, you'll see like some cool place that we went at. It's called Nurish. Yeah, it's like a facility giving back to the community in a way. Like you'll see, like it's so cool, guys. So mostly like they just use like recycled materials. Like they use what they have to give back. So which was very cool. And we like toured the village a bit, one village a bit, and then we came back. We had lunch, and then we also had our supper. So yeah. And then today I didn't vlog much. We had a lecture today. We had a lecture, and then after that we went to tour some place. Like we went with this other old thingy, right? Went to the tour. Hi. Anyway, we went to tour this other no, we went on a tour with this other old man. Like I don't think I'm gonna show off his face, but like yeah, he was like just teaching us about like different plants or trees that that the community has, and like the uses, and you know, others are medicinal plants, you know. So yeah. And we came back, we had what? Oh, we played this other nice game called Tragedy of the Commons, and which it was nice also. Like it just shows you how greedy people are. Like, you know, if like we have like an equal access to like one resource, like it will just show you who's like one person. Like there will always be that one person who wanna just take, you know. So anyway, guys, I just came to give you like a bit of update, because I feel like I haven't been talking to you. And yeah, it's really nice. Like I love the nature. Like one thing about me, nature. This is why I'm doing this course. Like hello. So it's really nice being here. Like you get to see, man, you get to experience like a different environment, you know. Although I'm so sad that I missed snow or Joburg. Oh my god, guys, I was so sad. Movani, given like my friends once were posted the snow pictures, you know. I'm like, fuck, I am missing that. Like one time something like it's a khala and I'm not around to see it. So yeah, that was like the boring part about me being away from home. But other than that, like it has been a really nice experience. I love it. Love it. So anyway, now I'm just gonna go. I think it's now 5 p.m. and we're gonna go have dinner around 6:30. So maybe I'll vlog or maybe I'll not, but until I see you again, guys, love you. tika ngopfu. Hi.
Loko byala swakudya u ta vuya u ta dya futhi.
Thank you.
Okay. Oopsie.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Yes, baby girl. No, this is life. That gives life.
Okay, let me. Can we come live with that?
Thank you.
Wait, talking.
The chili sauce, yes.
Where should I?
If I can. Thank you.
Forget the famous sausage.
Homemade, baby girl.
Yo, thank you.
Yay, Rani.
Yo, love it.
Guys, is having healthy this week? I don't know.
Having an avocado salad,
Yeah.
potato wedges, jam squash, and chicken stew.
Someone who knows her veggies, guys.
I told you by the end of this week, you would have had your greens for the year.
Because
It's how you slide
it's a Master of Environmental Science, Policy and Management. So we have people with a journalism degree who are right. Oh.
When we're leaving, but it was late and
And I get a butterfly at the end. Can you see?
I did feel like that.
The doer.
You're welcome.
I also agree. Not sure.
Cause is chowing them.
how are the lecturers there? Adverts still. I mean, we are talking about.
Lecturers and debates are very nice. I agree with you.
Hey, baby girl. What's for supper today?
Carrots. What? Then we have cauliflower, broccoli, some beef stew, and rice.
Alrighty, thank you.
Save this one.
Hi. Yabba. No bacon, no cheese. Nah, but anyway, it's breakfast ready, guys. Tea. The juice. The doer.
Invasive species. It's everywhere, and it has black fruits. I guess what this sweet. Lantana Camara there. Another one here.
Okay, guys, so now you're watching. So now you somewhere on this side.
Yeah,
You've been driving this way. Where?
Hey, to Mr. Zita. He lives somewhere this side.
Yeah, yeah. Somewhere this side.
So now that you, what time do you open it?
I open it around 8 o'clock.
Oh.
Oh, she's gonna pick it up.
So guys, today we'll be having pap, sweet corn, beetroot, salad, and some steak and chicken. Guys, the food is slapping. It's hitting the right spots.
I haven't heard you compliment the food since Monday.
Open your eyes.
And there's some impalas there as well.
Impala que te la vivais.
How many eyes? There 1 million. It's coming in different ways.
So springbok don't live in savannas. Springbok live in grasslands and semi-arid environments. There's no springbok in Kruger. How many vertebrae do you think they have in their neck?
How many?
How many do you think?
What? How many?
How many vertebrae, neck bones? How many do you think?
17.
17?
17.
How many do we have in our neck as humans? We have 7. So how many do you think the giraffe has?
It's dark.
Also 7.
That's
Same as us, but they're just big like this.
Oh. Hello.
I'm just going to move so that the others can get a good view.
300.
379. This food excited us. Oh my goodness. Okay, man, I think. Oh, mara iti.
Wow.
Ini mara gele plate. Bana plate kam hane. Pokare dilo cha mangina.
There's marula earrings. Panda.
KRUGER, guys. KRUGER. Imo kay mama ko.
Imo kay.
Imo malo kay.
Taka ni wadura.
Yeah, nami.
Yeah.
I mean,
Mako.
baby girl.
Oh.
Lip balm. 50 rand. 50 rand.
Dilo cha mako.
I think maybe because
Mako. Asa shop ya mang lemang. The Ranger fits. Bad Bunny.
what can I get trend about your sister?
Give me 5 million. 10,000. Yeah, one on the Ranger kama marawa how.
Little Ranger.
Go.
There's another one.
I'm watching them. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, one of them. Kudu. Yo, careful.
Why did I think it was like this small thing?
Can't do it to my intro. These are the bloody kings and queens. Guys, like, wanna come up in? Guys, do you see?
Look at the one on the road here.
They've gone back to their fights.
Neri chabalona.
Anyway, wow.
I'm enjoying watching the.
Let me see this and next. How you know what Timon and Pumba those troublesome heights.
Yeah,
Do they have names even?
No, I don't like it.
Thank you.
Yeah, we heard you. There's nothing wrong.
For the last time.
Malosi. Kichiri sana rula. Awenyaki.
Ayaphuma ma-oros. Do this, little naked. We are out, guys. Takalani, hi.
Hi.
And bye. Guys, we're making our way to